Today I'm going to show you a simple barbecue sauce hack that will absolutely change your life. Well, maybe that part's not completely true, but maybe it'll make it just a little bit better. I call this the Stubbs Barbecue Sauce Challenge. Now, that part about how simple it is, well, that's definitely true. Now, we need some ordinary barbecue sauce, preferably something sweet, and you definitely need some Stubbs original barbecue sauce. Now, the other brand can change, but you always have to have the Stubbs to make this happen. So the sweet sauce could be the cheap stuff. I usually use Bullseye or KC's Masterpiece or something like that. We're just going to jazz up the sauce by mixing the two different sauces together. I'm going to be using KC's Masterpiece, and I'll do this 1-to-1 with the Stubbies. Start with about a teaspoon each, mix it, and give it a taste test. Now, if you like it, well, then make a bigger batch. You're done. If it's too spicy, add in another part of the sweet sauce. Keep mixing until you find your mix. Now, I like mine 1-to-1, but that might not be what you like best. You can get the best out of both worlds from this mixture. It's a great barbecue sauce. Now, serve it up to your friends and family. After all, it's homemade barbecue sauce. Well, kinda. They don't have to know everything unless you decide to share it with them. But now that I think about it, hit that share button. Go ahead and share it with them. Heck, share it with everybody. Now give this a try and let me know what you mix the Stubbies with and what works best for you. Be sure and hit me up in the comments section. I hope to see you next time at Paw Daddy's Blind Hog Barbecue.